inner and fragrance outer. The pollen grains are light in weight, dry and produce large number of increased chances at pollination considering wastage pollen grains. Stigma is similarly to trap pollens carried by wind current. Stigma and stamen are exposed to air currents.
Very good. Further.
The flowers are inconspicuous, colorless, without any nectar and fragrance. Stigma is fibrous, trap and pollen grains carried. Stigma and stamens exposed to air currents.
Very good. Further.
Out of the two male gametes, one unit with egg cell and other unit with secondary nucleus is called as double fertilization.
Good.
Porogamy. Pollen to enter ovule through the micropyle is called as porogamy. Chalazogamy. Pollen to enter through the chalaza is called as chalazogamy.
Very good. Further.
Out of the two male gametes, one unit with egg cell and other unit with secondary nucleus is called as double fertilization.
Next.
Androecium. The male reproductive mode of flower is called anoecium and androecium. Stamen. The individual member of androecium is called stamen. Gynoecium. The female reproductive mode of flower is called gynoecium. The individual member of gynoecium is called carpel.
Very good. Next.
Pollen tube entered through the chalaza is called chalazogamy.
Next.
Out of the two gametes, one united egg cell and other is secondary nucleus is called as double fertilization.
Next.
Out of the female gametes, one united with the egg cell and other is united with secondary nucleus is called as double fertilization. It is usually enter ovule through micropyle is called porogamy. In the same case, it found to enters chalaza is called chalazogamy.
Next.
Out of the two male gamete, one is the united with egg cell and other is the united with secondary nucleus is called as double fertilization. It is usually enter ovule through the micropyle. It is the term of porogamy. In the same cases, it is found entered through the chalaza is known as chalazogamy.
Very good. Next.
Out of the two male gametes, one is united with other is united with the secondary nucleus is called as double fertilization.
Very good.
Adaptation of anemophily flowers. The flowers are small, inconspicuous, colorless, without nectar and fragrance. Stigma is a feathery to trap pollens carried by wind current. Stamen and stigma is exposed to air current.
Very good. Next. Huh.
The male reproductive whole of flower is called as androecium. Individual member of androecium is called as stamen. The female reproductive whole of flower is called as gynoecium. The individual member of gynoecium is called as carpel.
Very good.
Explain the androecium and gynoecium. The male reproductive whole of the flower is called as androecium. Individual members of androecium is called as stamen. The part of androecium filament connective anther. And the female reproductive whole of the flower is called as gynoecium. Individual members of gynoecium is called as carpel. The part of gynoecium is called the part of gynoecium's stigma style ovule.
Very good.
Double fertilization. The gamete of with one unit and one cell and double Order of unit secondary nucleus is called as double fertilization.
Very good.
Double fertilization. The male gametes participate and therefore is described by or is called as double fertilization.
Very good.
Double fertilization. The male gamete participately and therefore it is described is called as double fertilization.
Very good. Next.
Porogamy. When a pollen tube enters ovule through micropyle, it's called a porogamy. Chromosome. When a pollen tube enters ovule through corolla, it's called a chromosome. Mesogamy. When a pollen tube enters ovule through inhumans, it's called a mesogamy.
Very good.
Entry of the pollen tube through micropyle is called a porogamy. Entry of pollen tube through inhuman is called a mesogamy. Entry of pollen tube through chalaza is called a chalazogamy.
Very good.
Pollination. Transfer of the pollen grain from anther to stigma is called as pollination.
Very good.
Pollination. Transfer of the pollen grain from anther to stigma is called pollination.